Let's give a warm welcome to our new president. Firstly, according to this formula, we will prove about a rectangle. Formula is length to breadth. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to this formula, this area is 28 and unit is inch because that the area is inch square, 28 inch square. Let me prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
How many blocks? 28 blocks. 28.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Here is marble and the light glow. Sir, please take this. Perpendicular.
Just last one.
What is perpendicular?
Sir, this is perpendicular.
How do you know perpendicular?
Because the one side perpendicular.
Transversals cut two lines like L and L, and if they are parallel, then angles show some properties. Like transversal, a line which cuts to two lines is known as transversal corresponding angle.
Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angle because corresponding angle are on same sides of the transversal, and alternating here angle are 1 and
Vertically opposite angle?
sir,
Vertically opposite angle?
Vertically opposite angle on the opposite side is like one angle.
here are the project which is based on probability. Probability means chance. It shows the chance of happening an event. The formula of probability is several number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes.
Sir, इस पर 8 digits हैं
And A to H alphabet.
अल्फाबेट सर। जैसे फार्मूला हम अप्लाई करके देखते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी का जो इन्होंने बताया, तो इस बीर को मूव करेंगे और 8 नंबर है, इसके 1 नंबर आने की चांस, जैसे हमने सपोज किया 1 आने की चांस, 8 बार जब ये मूव करेगा तो हम जो चाह रहे हैं कि 1 ही आएगा, वो 8 बार मूव करने पर 1 बार फिर आएगा, आ सकता है, आ सकता है। तो लेट बी मूव द बी। बट टाइम करो देखते हैं।
No, probability will be more than 8.
तो आप भी सकते नहीं वन पॉइंट चांस and dice also
Good morning, sir. This is our math project based on parts of circle. First of all, I will tell about the circle. A circle is a collection of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. A circle is a shape made with a curvilinear boundary. First part, I will tell about a center. Center. A center is a fixed point in a circle whose distance from the boundary of the circle is equidistant. Second part, I will tell about a radius.
how many radius in a circle?
Infinite numbers of radius. Radius is the distance between the center and any point on the boundary of the circle. In a circle, there are infinite number of radius. Third part will be a diameter. A line segment which has two endpoints of the boundary of the circle passing from a center is called a diameter. In a circle also have infinite numbers of diameter. Fourth part will be a chord. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of the circle is called as chord. Diameter is also known as longest chord of the circle. As you can see that chord divides the circle into 2 parts. That is called as segment. That part which is smaller one is called a minor segment and the bigger one part is called a major segment.
What the meaning of major and minor?
So major means big and minor means small. Next part will be sector.
Major
And the smaller one is known as minor sector. A sector, an area enclosed by an arc and a pair of 2 radii is called as sector. And last one is circumference. The length of the boundary of the circle is called as circumference. Thank you, sir.
What will be the perimeter of circle?
The perimeter of circle is known as also circumference.
हम लोग होर्डिंग मार खाए छड़िंग मार
That's from classes.
Good.
Sir, आप इसमें से पॉलीगन चुनेंगे और उसकी एंगल से परपेंडिकुलर।
क्या
सर आप इसमें से पॉलीगन चुन सकते हैं और हम लोग उसकी एंगल से परपेंडिकुलर।
कोई भी
इस पर
The R square is formed by 4 line segments with equal.
very good
90.
बताओ ना एंगल कैसे फाइंड करते हैं ये बताओ ना कहाँ से रखते हो हाँ
see from the 0 now.
दोनों साइड से ओके
90, 180, 70 and 360.
Arrange.
हाँ
And we can prove the angles and property of this.
नेक्स्ट क्या करेगा
Triangle.
ट्रायंगल
And which type of triangle is this?
कर किस सकते
So we can improve the angles and property of different polygons.
Very good.
व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉलीगन ना
Yes, polygon means many and then lines.
Triangle has 3 angles and vertices. Whether it is acute, obtuse, and right angle triangle.
Classification of triangle: scalene triangle. Any side are not equal. Isosceles triangle: 2 sides are equal, 1 side are not equal. Equilateral triangle: any side are equal.
Let us check
Firstly, this 27 degree and 123 degree. And this is 30 degree.
When
We are all the angles, then make the straight angle. This is called 180 degree.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Ready to say? Ready to say?
इसमें से आपको 360 बनानी है और 5 ट्रायंगल बनानी है.
5 triangle.
इसमें से 3 उठा हाँ
फिर उठा इसी पे अरेंज करना है 3 को.
बस 3 को निकाल लेना है.
5
अच्छा हाँ
5 ट्रायंगल बनाना
मूव करना है.
इसमें से 3 निकाल लेना
है. 5 ट्रायंगल बनाने हैं.
अच्छा
को यूज करके ना फिर मारना है.
बस 3 को यूज करके ना
Okay.
1 2 3 4 5.
Very good. Good.
ये माइंड एक तुम्हारा यहाँ चेक करना लगा ये इसमें 5 बनाने हैं.
No, sir, you have to move 2 sticks to make
Seven.
square.
ये शायद ये थे से ना ये ऐसे किए शायद ना ये तो होता 1 2 3 4 5 6 और ये 7. अच्छा
Good. Very good.
The space between ball and board forms something called an angle. Context. An angle is a fundamental part of geometry. And an angle we see in our daily life, such as blocks of hands and slice of pizza. Main idea. An angle formed when two rays meet at common point called an vertex. Angle measured in degrees to understand shapes, direction and even movement. Let's explore an angle and their toys.
My topic is naming an angle. An angle can be named in different ways. We can name an angle by using the letters of the English alphabet. The middle letter is always the vertex of the angle. We can also name an angle by using vertex or hook. Angle can be also named by accessing unlimited to the angle. Thank you.
Types of angle is measured by protractor. Protractor have two scales.
क्यों अपने आपको सिखाया गया
सब सिखाया गया. One scale is read clockwise and other scale is read anti-clockwise. The degree of the number of degree is measured in an angle of. It is zero angle. From where degrees and where we stop in circle is called zero angle. An angle which is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle is measured in 180 degree. Reflex angle. An angle which is less than 360 degree but greater than 180 degree is called an
170.
It's called a reflex angle. A complete angle is measured in 360 degrees.
Good.
To learn types of angle, we have a trait. The rows are seen. Now we are going to measure some angles. It is 80 degrees. It is 90 degrees, 50 degree angle.
Which class you do you study?
So fifth. It is 30 degree. It is 110 degree.
Okay.
70 degree angle. It is
How much space your garden covers
and how long the fence around it need to be. Or when you buy a carpet, do you look at its size? It is also the concept of area and perimeter. Context. Perimeter and area are two important concepts in geometry. It is measured in square units, squares, shapes, all figures. The outer boundary of any figure is called perimeter, and the amount of space in the shape is called area.
How many 50 ml in 1 liter?
50 ml अगर इसको हम डालते हैं इसमें कितने टाइम डालेंगे? फिल हो जाता है. This is a 100 ml ना?
50 ml.
50 ml.
How many 100 ml required to fill the 1 liter?
And 10. नहीं 20 और 100 ml 10.
For 50, you just double it.
Good morning, sir. My name is Akrishi Sarasya from class 4. My topic is non-standard dosage of metals. In ancient times, we used non-standard units like hand span, foot span, cubic, piece, arm span. We measured the cloth with hand span. We go anywhere to measure foot span. We measure the wall like arm span. Non-standard non-standard have no fixed shape and size, and standard unit have same size and shape.
In the sky, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also known as Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is second planet from solar system from the Sun. It is also known as blue planet, and it is only the one planet where is life exists. Mars is also known as red planet because we got there iron oxide and atmosphere and other atmosphere that gives it red appearance. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn have 5 planets.
We say, give me 1 gram or 1 kilo rice. And when you go at petrol pump, then do you say, give me 2 gram petrol pump? No. Then we say, give me 1 or 2 liter petrol in my bike. All rocky things have their gram and kilogram and hectogram, decagram, meter and kilogram, hectogram, decagram and gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. These are the rocky units, and the liquid units kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. These are the liquid units. And when these three are the highest unit and it is a standard unit, and these three are the smallest unit. When we go at higher to smallest, then we multiply. Like when we go 1 step, then we multiply with 10, and when we go second step, then we multiply with 100, and when 3, then 1000. And 4, then 10,000, and lakh, 10 lakhs, and this. When we smaller to higher, then we will divide. Like when we
इससे सर निकाल देंगे बच्चे कहीं भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे वहाँ से उधर जाना है तो कम करेंगे इधर जाना है तो वो मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे उसमें 0 से.
Sir, others have
इसके एक्सप्लेन करने का तरीका फिंगर और
Good morning, sir. My name is Sri. My project is
Surya, sir?
60 hours. 8,760 hours have 5,000 5,25,600 minutes. 5,25,600 minutes have 3,15,36,000 seconds.
1 year, 1 year में सेकेंड कितना होता है?
How many seconds in 1 year?
There are 3,15,36,000 seconds.
Time is an essential part of our life. It helps organize our day, measure unit like measure events
Very good, very good.
and understand what is my name is Joe Gupta and I am a software.
सकता हो ना, इसीलिए शॉप लगा है।
Hello sir, I am a software and my price is known as selling price.
Good morning, sir. My name is Arif from class 3B. Money. My topic is money. Money is anything that can buy anything. Because without money we can't buy anything, such as table, chair, and biscuits.
Yes sir. So you want purchase anything? Want to purchase anything?
No.
Okay, explain. Profit management.
हाँ सर।
CP. CP is known as cost price. When CP is more than SP, so I am in loss. When SP is more than CP, so I am in profit. Thank you, sir.
What is SP and CP?
Selling price and cost price.
How you will explain it? What is selling price?
The price at which we bought anything is called cost price. The price at which we sell anything is called selling price.
Who is using what? CP or SP?
CP. SP. Please solve this.
What will do?
Move one stick and correct like this.
हाँ? Speak out it.
Move one stick and correct like this.
Question?
Yes. 1 plus 8 is 9. How to make 1?
4 करना है इसको 1 सबको। हाँ 1 ये 4 हो जाएगा, ये 5 हो जाएगा। अच्छा 9 ये 9 हो गया।
This is tricks. Tricks mean some small method to solve any question or other method to solve any question. This trick is finding 2-digit square. I have a number 57. We have to find the square of this number.
आइए।
Firstly, we have to write 1st digit here
आइए।
and 10th digit there and find square of both digits. Then our 7 is
Class 5th day. I digits consisting of 0 and counting 1 to 9 are called whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 natural numbers. The numbers which we use to count are called natural numbers. A set of natural numbers can be expressed by this symbol. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Right. A number that can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. A vector of prime number being an attribute. Composing of the number having more than 2 factors are called composite.
नंबर हम वो बताएं।
2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 and 1 is left. So it is not factor of 2. 15 is not factor of 2. And even number, the number which are divided exactly divided by 2 are called the even number, and the number which exactly divided by 3 are called the odd
बताएंगे तो हम आंसर वो बताएंगे तो आपने पहले डिजिट चीज
number. Sir, from which
सर आपने अभी डिजिट किया था 5 18 divided from what now
You have to check that it is even or odd.
magic
How you will check?
yes magic calcium
2 8
then you have to multiply by 2 and then that answer right
Sir, it is divided by 80. The bracket one is said that if any one's place there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it will be the even number and also the factor of 2.
It is a factor of 2 or not?
Yes.
It have?
Yes.
Very good. This is working model. Okay, show him. Surya sir? Okay, very good. Right. Very good. What is the decimal sign? Vertex, where vertex at a point meet to them. That's standard.
This is our project on Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle and the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of base, that is square of perpendicular.
So, जो हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर होता है वो बेस और परपेंडिकुलर के स्क्वायर के बराबर होता है.
So if it is verified the Pythagoras theorem, it means that the square of hypotenuse would be equal to the square of base and square of perpendicular. So let's check.
सर ये बेस का स्क्वायर है, ये परपेंडिकुलर का और ये हाइपोटेन्यूज का.
Very good.
Shake it. So you can see that the all balls of hypotenuse is equally filled in base and perpendicular. It means that it is followed the Pythagoras theorem.
सर जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं जो